So, with a good deal of intelligence, by this we come to know about Rahul, but not fully. It gives a idea about Rohan, but not about Fool. इस विथ ए गुड डील ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट, इससे हमें राहुल के बारे में थोड़ा ही पता चल रहा है. नॉट फुली मीन्स दिस सेंटेंस दिस मेक्स some senses but not complete. Such a group of words is called a phrase. इस तरह के वर्ड को हम phrase कहते हैं. Look at the definition of phrase. A phrase is a group of words which makes some sense but not complete sense by itself. Phrase वैसे शब्दों का समूह है, ग्रुप है, जिससे हमें कुछ बातें ही कुछ ही पता चलता है, लेकिन पूरी तरह से कुछ भी हमें पता नहीं चलता है. वी कम टू नो सम थिंग्स अबाउट द पर्सन और वट एवर गिवन बट नॉट कंप्लीट. ओके, सो फ्रेज इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विच मेक सम सेंसेस बट नॉट कंप्लीट sense by itself. Okay, so with the help of this workbook I explain the meaning of phrases. Now with the help of Blackboard I am going to give you questions related with this lesson. Okay, hi kids, with the help of English grammar workbook I explain this lesson. Now with the help of Blackboard I am going to give you question answer related with this lesson. This is your grammar part. Okay, look at the question number 1. Underline the phrases in the following sentences. So many sentences are given. You have to underline the phrases from them. जो सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं उसमें से आपको फ्रेजेस को अंडरलाइन करना है. So with the help of workbook I explain the meaning of phrases. Okay, so on the basis of our knowledge about the phrases I am going to underline or I am going to show you how we can underline the phrases from a sentence. Okay, so by explanation we come to know that a phrase is a group of words which make some sense but not complete sense by itself. Phrase वैसे शब्दों का समूह है जिसका कुछ मतलब होता है, लेकिन they does not show complete meaning. वो पूरा मीनिंग नहीं शो ऑफ करते हैं. They are showing half meaning, some senses. कुछ ही मीनिंग बताते हैं. Okay, so with the help of this knowledge we are going to find out phrase and underline them. Look at each sentence one by one. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. So in this sentence sat in a corner. So which corner, कौन से कॉर्नर, किसके कॉर्नर में वो बैठा, ये कुछ भी नहीं पता चल रहा है. सिर्फ पता चल रहा है हमें we come to know that he sat in a corner. So sat in a corner is a phrase. Okay, now next sentence. The thief jumped over the wall. So over the wall, which wall? Side wall, left wall, right wall. कौन से wall पे उसने jump किया? We don't know. So over the wall is a phrase. She knocked on the door softly. So in this sentence, on the door softly, it is the phrase. Next, he is a boy with a lot of mischief. In this sentence, with a lot of mischief is a phrase. Okay, look, I underlined the phrases in the sentence. Like this we are going to underline phrases from the remaining sentences. Okay, look at the remaining sentences carefully. Already I underlined the phrases from them. Now I am going to just explain. The wheat is grown near the fence. So near the fence is a phrase. Do not go a great distance. Great distance is a phrase. He drives with great care. With great care is a phrase. We climb to the top of the mountain. The top of the mountain is a phrase. The soldiers fought in a brave manner. In a brave manner is a phrase. I had coffee on 3 occasions today. 3 occasions today is a phrase. Okay. After watching the video, write all things properly in your notebook from Blackboard with the help of video. This is your grammar part. Okay.